Thanks for tuning in, fam. I know it's been so long. Y'all, I have so much I need to share with y'all. Got so many vlogs I need to edit. I'm going to be working on it. Right now, I am making myself a cup of hot tea. It helps with this job of talking back to back on these calls sometimes. I just need something other than coffee. You know what I'm saying? So this is my favorite one, FYI, the tangerine one. Yummy. Without the storms and rain, life would cease to be. I know I read that before, not long ago. I'm convinced it's only like 4 or 5 quotes per box.
Give me my candy.
The shenanigans in my house.
I smell it. Give me my.
I'm sure you don't smell no candy coming out the bathroom. Probably smell booty boo. Hey fam, oh my gosh. So I was like, you know what, let me pick the camera up. I'm getting ready to shampoo my hair. I don't know what I was thinking, relaxing my hair, because honestly I don't even style my hair enough. But I'm getting ready to just shampoo my hair real quick, and I'm about to attempt a bun. Yes, my girl Melanie D, Life of Mocha. I'm sure you guys remember her old channel, but Mel, she has inspired me to do this. I saw her slick her short hair up one time and put that bun. I said, you know what, I'm not gonna follow her tutorial, but she gave me that idea.
It's the end of the weekend, but I still wanna turn up. Yeah, I still wanna turn up. All I want is to go again, but you ain't picking your phone up. Why you messing my head up? Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is just saying yeah, 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 yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe. 'Cause you're all that I crave, so I wonder, where are you? Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say, where are you? Don't be so hard to reach, just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, 'cause I gotta know. Let me know when you're ready, 'cause I made reservations. Too many invitations, and the last night was heavy. I need communication. Tell me where's your location. Used to talk 24/7, every other second, just to make sure we were up to date. Now it's closer to 11, and I ain't hearing nothing. I just need to know that you're okay. Where are you? Baby, don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say, where are you? Hey, don't be so hard to reach, just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, 'cause I got taking, just be. Don't take it. Taking, just don't be. And live my life. Don't take it personal. I ain't lying, I ain't hiding. I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, 'cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. Hey. Taking just don't be and live my life. Don't take it personal. We just building. It's my season. Lay foundation. Make a name for generations. Please and make a and take a break or a little vacation and chasing blues away. Hey, hey. You always posting the pictures, trying to look like you winning or look like you always be working. Soaking the moments you live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, 'cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus.
Hey fam, okay, I just wanted to show y'all real quick. Here is my bun with that 1 pack of Marley braid hair. Makes it look like I'm super bald on the side. It's the light and my edges are thin. But I'll talk to y'all later. I just made it back in. This was a gift from my stepmom to the kids. She got them these really nice Sherpa throws. I'm kind of jealous a little bit, but this one is London's and that one is Brandon's. Go on and open it out, B. I think you were opening it. Let me see how big it is.
Well, it has like a staple thing right here.
Okay. All right. But that's it on one side, and then the other side is like the Sherpa material, super soft. Nothing's going on. Pretty much gonna finish cleaning that I didn't clean yesterday. If you guys enjoyed today's vlog, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Talk to you guys in a little bit. All right. Right.